Welcome to the Clipper channel. Today's video, I'll show you how to fix Windows 10 unable to reset problem on your Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. Now to fix it, what you have to do is just go to search and open up CMD here. Make sure to open it as administrator. And after that, in here, you have to type a command. It is copied from here, so just copy it from here. sfc/scan now. After putting this command, let it run, and it's gonna scan your PC and try to fix your PC. And after that, run the second command. It's also gonna scan your PC and try to clean the hard disk and everything. So let it run. After putting this command, just go ahead and restart your PC, and hopefully your problem should be fixed. And even if it's not fixed, just go and open up CMD again as administrator, and in here put the third command. And after putting the third command, just restart your PC once again, and it should work. And even after that, if it doesn't work, what you have to do is just open up your browser. Then in your browser on Google, search for download Windows 10. Then just go to the first file, or the first link rather. And from here, you can download the Windows 10 Media Creation Tool and install it in a bootable pen drive and newly install Windows 10 on your system, which is basically equal to resetting your PC. And basically that is how to fix Windows 10 unable to reset issue on your Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.